Today we are going to unbox Pampers wipes. First thing first, this is COVID time, so you gotta disinfect thoroughly everything inside and the bottom and the floor. Then leave it out for 6 hours. Let's cut this boy open. Nice, tight, heavy box. This one I got from Amazon. Comes in individual boxes. So there's a bunch of them in there. Total count 576. 8 refills. Power refill. There's 72 wipes in here. So just open it up, stick it in your disposable pack, and you're good to go. There you go. That's how you unbox Pampers wipes. Oh, hey, what's the difference between a sea urchin and a school bus? In a sea urchin, the pricks are on the outside. Thank you.